Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any browser or Google Play Store on Vivo T1 Pro. And to do this, first let's start with Google Play Store. Here if we try to install any game, it's stuck in a pending mode like this, and it won't begin the actual download. So we can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. And right here, if you try to refresh any already open web page or try to reach new one, you will get this error. To fix both of the problems, we'll need to head on to our settings, then select the system at the bottom and go for your date and time, and here enable set time automatically. You can go back to the browser and try to continue with the same web page. Now it works fine, and the game's on Google Play Store. We can install and it begins almost immediately. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.